Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will talk about the Java AIO. As we discussed here in our first few lectures, for the AIO, that means asynchronous I/O. Asynchronous I/O, that means that the code will not wait for the result. Instead, it just registers the callback. And when the data is ready, the callback function will get executed. Actually, the Java AIO is not used very widely. So we just show you a simple example about the AIO. First, let's create the AIO server. Here we would like to create the class AIO server. And I just copied the code I prepared on our node, and we'll have a close look at it. Okay, let's first import the missing classes. Where is I think we still have one place need to fix. Where is that? Here? No. Let's have a look. Oh, this chassis. Okay, we are fixed all the code errors. Let's take a close look at our AIO server code. The first two lines from these two lines create the asynchronous server socket channel and bind the port. After we create that, we use the accept method to make our server ready to receive the new connections. But here, this time for the accept, the second argument is a handler. We need to pass a handler to our accept method. In the handler, we implemented two methods. One is a complete, one is failed. That means when this connection is successfully established, and this method will be called. Let's look at this method first. Try to establish the connection. After the connection is ready, from the line 29 here, when we read here, you see on the read, when the request is ready in our JVM, and we read the data, use the buffer, and you see for the read method, we pass the completion handler, which is a callback function again. for the read method. When the data is completely read into the byte buffer, this completion handler will be called. And as you can see, it has two methods. One is failed, one is completed. When it's let's first look at the completed. When the read is completed, it will switch the byte buffer to the read mode and print out the requested data on the console. After that, we use a new buffer, write buffer. We create a new byte buffer to send the request. But for before send out, pay attention to line 41 here. Actually, line 40, we first use the flip method of the byte buffer to make our byte buffer to switch it to the read mode, and then this attachment is the channel, the socket channel. The socket channel will write this buffer, and the data will be sent to the client. Okay, let's take a look at the failed method. For the failed method, we just print the stack trace and close the synchronous channel. Okay, and here on the long for the, let's say, for the completed, for the accept method, we give the completion handler, and another method we override is the failed. For this event, for the new connection accept, when new connection is established, when it's failed, we just, for demonstration purpose, we just print the message, print the stack trace. Okay, and for the main method on the line 75, we put our thread in sleep so that our server can up and running to handle the request. Next, let's create the AIO client. Let's copy the code I prepared on the node. The client code is much simpler. Okay, let's import the missing classes. Fix all the errors first. Okay, we still have one place to fix. Oh, char set again. Okay, for the client, we created the asynchronous socket channel and connect to a server. Then we sleep for 1 second to make sure our connection is established successfully. After that, we use the channel, we use the channel, created channel to write the message, the hello from AIO client. Then for this block is for handle the send the data. Actually, we move the comment up, and for this block of code, it's for read the response. It uses a byte buffer and flip to the read mode, convert the response into a string, and then print the response on the console. So let's run the server code first. We get some error. Oh, the address already in use. Okay. Our NIO select server is still running on the port 49. So we stop it first, and then we run the NIO server again. Okay. Next, we should print some message here. Oh, AIO server is ready. Let's run it again. Run. Okay, AIO server is ready. Let's connect to see. Okay, here we see the server send response is here. See the new connection from this socket, IP address and port number from this socket, and the request number is hello from AIO client, and then the message is server send. As here, server send is in here. Completion. You can see the message is server send. Okay, that's it for the AIO Java AIO demonstration.